Hey guys, we're back to another video. Today we are talking about chirping. Also, I'm using my ring light, it's the middle of the night, and I have to wear glasses, and so this might be distracting. But anyway, we're talking about chirping, and we're going to get into that. Now, some of you may be wondering, what is chirping? Chirping is a rare guinea pig sound. It's not even all of them know how to make, or don't even make it. And it really sounds like a bird chirping, and I actually caught copper chirping just a few days ago, and I've had him for over a year, and I've never had him chirp before, let alone in the last 3 years have any of them chirp. So I'm gonna play it here. And that's what it sounds like. It's really cool. Here is the thing about chirping though. People do not know why they chirp. There's maybe 1,000 to 2,000 recordings of guinea pigs chirping, but no one can really understand why. So there are a few theories when it comes to guinea pigs chirping, and one of them is stress or anxiety. It's believed that guinea pigs will chirp when they are scared or frightened. So like fireworks going off in the distance has been seen as a possibility as to why their guinea pig is chirping, or just anything like a vacuum going, music, anything like that. Some people have had their guinea pig chirp and have found something happening around, usually sound-wise, that may have been why. And it is also believed that chirping could be a noise made to indicate that they are happy. And personally, I don't really believe that that is why, but it is a possibility. It is theorized that that could be another reason. And the reason why people may think that they are being happy while making that sound is because they seem calm and unbothered. It is also kind of theorized that they make that sound to communicate to other guinea pigs, but no one can understand what that could mean or indicate to them. And some people have theorized that it could mean, hey, something bad is about to happen. Because sometimes when guinea pigs have chirped, there has been documentation that something like an earthquake or storm happened shortly after or during that time. So it is believed that it could be an instinct to let the other guinea pigs know that, hey, something is happening or something bad is about to happen. And honestly, the chirping is unpredictable. It usually happens at nighttime, which that's what happened to me. So when Copper started chirping, I was getting dressed to go outside in the snow, because I'm in Middle Tennessee and we just had a snowstorm just for 2 days. And I was getting ready on the second day, or kind of like in between. It was the second day, but was it the second day? It was the first day? No. I was getting ready on the first day of the snowstorm, and it was 10 p.m. So it was about to be the next day, which that night it was supposed to freeze over, and the roads were supposed to be slick, and the stores were supposed to close, and all that stuff. So but I was layering up to go outside, and while I was putting on layers, I hear chirping. I look around to my guinea pigs, and I see Copper chirping, and I immediately started recording it, and I was just in shock because I know it's a rare sound they make. So not a lot is known about chirping. A lot of people have their own theories, but the main three I've noticed is either they're scared, happy, or it's like an instinctive prediction type of scenario. It's definitely an interesting sound, and I am so happy that I got to hear it. I just hope everything is okay. Nothing bad has happened. They all seem fine. The only thing really going on is apricot, but otherwise we're pretty good here. Let me know if you've ever heard your guinea pig chirp before, or even heard it anywhere that they chirp. I'm really curious to see what you guys think, because it's so fascinating, and no one really understands, not even scientists understand why they make that sound. So I think it's really cool. I feel happy that I got to hear it for myself. because it is rare. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!